How to fix Zangi not sending messages. Okay, so if you are trying to send a message in Zangi and it just won't go through, let's troubleshoot this. First things first, internet connection. I know, seems basic, right? But seriously, double check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Is it strong? Can you load a web page or any other app that requires internet? Zangi need a good connection to send the messages out. Are you definitely online? Okay, next step. Check your Zangi permissions on your phone. Sometimes after an update or if settings got changed, the app loses crucial permission like access to the network or the data usage in the background. Hop into your phone setting, find the Zangi in the app list and just quickly review the permission. Let's do that. Go to the setting. Here it is. Now just go to the app. It is over here. Tap on it. Now all apps. Let's search Zangi over here and wait for a while. You can see it right over here and tap on it. And under Zangi, there's a section for permissions. Tap on it. And from here, you can check all the permissions that should be given to the Zangi in order to send the message smoothly. Still stuck? Try closing the Zangi app completely. Like swipe it away from your recent app and then reopen it. A simple restart of the app itself fixes surprisingly many glitches. If that doesn't work, maybe even give your phone a quick restart. And finally, is your Zangi app the latest version? Go to the App Store and check if there are any updates waiting. An old version might have a bug that's preventing messages from sending. Hopefully, one of these tricks gets your Zangi messages sending smoothly again. That's it for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.